Hey everybody, listen, thanks for giving us a couple of minutes today to talk about a really important event coming up this Sunday night. I'm here with Dr. John Sorensen, and many of you know John, but not everybody does, so take a minute. Tell us about who you are and what you do.
Well, I'm the president of a ministry called Evangelism Explosion, and we get goosebumps over equipping and training people how to share the gospel with their friends, with their neighbors, with their work associates, and yes, even with strangers that you meet as you go through life.
Yeah. And you travel all over the world, and teach people how to do this. And we're so blessed that this Sunday evening, we're going to be training you how to share the gospel with people that you love. John and I both are going to be teaching, and you can learn how to do this. One of the things, John, that always concerns me, really is shocking to me, is the numbers of people who never lead anybody else to Jesus.
Yeah, the statistics as high as 96% of those that are in the church, they're Christians, and they have the ability, they just don't know it yet. And maybe it's just one or two things that's missing. That's what we're going to try to solve on Sunday night. We'll figure out how it is that you can start a conversation and then have a chance to share the gospel with a friend.
Yeah, everybody can do this. And everybody is called to do this. And we know that you love your friends and neighbors and coworkers and want them to go to heaven. It's just a matter of having the equipment that we need to go and do that job.
And here's the surprising thing. People are open to hearing the gospel today. We're seeing a surprising number that are welcoming, that are waiting for somebody to come and share. And as Christians, frankly, it's the most exciting thing we get to do this side of heaven, when we join God in what He's doing in someone else's life and have the ability to share the gospel. Last statistic I saw, it was 78% of the people outside the walls of the church that are open to having a conversation.
That's incredible.
It's incredible.
Yeah, more than 3 out of 4 people say, just talk to me. I'm more than happy to have the conversation. We're going to teach you how to do it this Sunday night at Brookstone Church. We're going to begin at 5 o'clock. It's going to be a great night. All of our students are coming in, so it'll be a great night. Fun, interactive, energetic. Just by adding 150 students into the mix, it'll be a great, great night. And we want everybody in Brookstone Church, and really anybody in our community, to come.
Absolutely. And if you've been trained before, it'll be a great reminder, an encouragement. You'll be able to encourage someone else to do it. And if you've not been equipped yet, this will be a great start on that pathway. It's going to be easy to learn and hard to forget.
Yeah, that's great. This Sunday, 5 o'clock, Brookstone Church. It will, I believe, be something that God will use through you to change the eternity of somebody else. So we look forward to seeing you then.